Good morning. In this video, I'll show you how to check if you have grounding in your outlet so you can connect a grounding mat or sheet to it. You can do this in two different ways. One is to use a meter, the other a tester. In this case, at this moment, we'll use the tester. And the tester shows us a green and red light. So if we read here, green and red, it indicates live neutral reverse, meaning the neutral wire is swapped with the phase, and there's probably grounding, but the tester doesn't confirm that. So it's best to just use a meter, switch it to 750 VAC, use these two probes, insert them into the outlet, and it shows us what voltage we have right now. And now, to check if there's grounding, there should be voltage between one pin and the hole, and there shouldn't be any between the other. If we place it here, we have 0. If we put it here, we have voltage, so we have phase and ground, showing 220 V, and if we connect neutral and ground, it should be 0. And it turns out that we have grounding on the pin, so you can ground yourself. Grounding.com, best regards.